Sheikh Hamdan Bin Mohammed inspects progress of Shindagha Bridge project. Sheikh Hamdan Bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Crown Prince of Dubai, Chairman of Dubai Executive Council, said that Dubai implements projects as part of an ambitious development strategy that places the interest of citizens and the comfort and happiness of residents and visitors at the top of its priorities. This is evident in the large investments the Emirate allocates to infrastructure projects that serve the needs of society members and the business community, while also enabling establishments to grow and prosper, he added, noting that the Emirates' infrastructure sector accounts for 46% of the government total spending in the Emirates' 2020 budget. His Highness's remarks came during an inspection tour of the Shindagha Corridor project, one of the biggest road projects currently undertaken by the Roads and Transport Authority (RTA). Sheikh Hamdan was following up on the progress of the work of UAE Dirham's 5 billion project, which extends 13 kilometers from the Sheikh Rashid Street through Al Mina Street and Al Khalid Street up to the Cairo Street. During his tour, His Highness inspected the construction work of the Shindagha Bridge project, a unique architectural structure developed as part of the third phase of Shindagha Corridor project. The bridge serves as an addition to Dubai's iconic landmarks and meets the needs of mega development projects in the surrounding areas such as Deira Islands, Dubai Waterfront, Port Rashid and the Dubai Maritime City. On his arrival, Sheikh Hamdan was welcomed by Mata Mohammed Al-Tia, Director General, Chairman of the Board of Executive Directors of RTA. His Highness and his entourage boarded a ferry to review the work in progress at the bridge, which has reached a completion rate of 75%, extending 295 meters in length. The bridge rises 15.5 meters above the Dubai Creek, which allows the passage of boats of all sizes and consists of 6 lanes in each direction, in addition to a 3-meter lane for pedestrians and cyclists. It features an iconic architectural arch-shaped design in the form of infinity symbol. The top of the infinity arch rises 42 meters and approximately 2,400 tons of steel will be used in the construction of the bridge. The bridge can accommodate 12,000 vehicles per hour per direction. The Shindagha Bridge project combines all elements of integrated transport. It includes 2 large lifts at both ends of the bridge and 3 shared bridges for pedestrians and cyclists. One bridge is under construction on Al Khalid Street, while the 2 other will be constructed on the Sheikh Rashid and Al Mina streets at a later stage. The project is part of RTS's efforts to enhance sustainable mobility and provide a unique environment for pedestrians and cyclists in an area bustling with trading and tourist activities that has to be well connected with routes linking Deira and Pur Dubai. Asset sustainability. RTA has incorporated unique construction elements and systems in the construction of Shindagha Bridge in order to make it well protected and more sustainable. These include building foundations at a depth of 40 meters below the waterbed of the creek. High-density polyethylene insulation was used, HDPE liner for the base and for part of the columns immersed in the creek. It also protected the bridge columns from the maritime traffic in the creek by using insulation materials and an anti-corrosion system called cathodic protection that works efficiently for 20 years, said Al-Tia. As for the metal arch, RTA used a system for insulation and protection against rust and adhesion to aquatic life that come in contact with the water surface. This system allows the cleaning and maintenance of the metal parts of the arch touching the water surface, which extends the shelf life of the arch. The upper part of the metal arch is fitted with an anti-corrosion coating and protection system as well, concluded Al-Tia. 5 phases. His Highness was also briefed by Al-Tia about Shindagha Corridor project. The construction work for the project has been split into 5 phases that support several development projects in the area such as Deira Islands, Dubai Waterfront, Dubai Maritime City and Port Rashid. Once completed, the Shindagha corridor project will be capable to accommodate larger traffic volumes and slash the journey time from the corridor from 104 minutes to 16 minutes. The first 2 phases of the project have already been completed and included upgrading the junction of Sheikh Rashid Oud Matha Streets, Wafi Junction, and the intersection of the Sheikh Rashid Khalifa bin Zayed Streets. Work is currently underway on phase 3 of the project, which covers the construction of Shindagha Bridge, improvements of the Corniche Street, as well as improvements of the intersections of Al Khalij and Falcon Streets. Last August, RTA opened bridges leading to entry and exit points of Deira Islands at Abu Bakr Al Siddiq Street. Phase 4 covers improvements of Al Khalij Street, the intersection of Al Khalij Abu Hail Street, as well as intersection of Sheikh Rashid Street with Jumeirah Street, Al Mina Street, and Al Mankhul Street. This phase is expected to be completed by the end of 2025. Phase 5 covers the construction of bridges extending 1.5 kilometers southwards to Deira Islands and is scheduled for completion in 2027.